Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. Today we got $1,258 on our balance. I'm gonna make it 3,000 and that withdrawal them, and let's get down to work. But we set up our trading instrument first. Pick out on the indicator, it's gonna be the alligator. Keep other settings as they are. We'll try to use the trend indicator according to the trend direction. We'll play out on the pullback and one slightest correction considering on the trend direction. So we will see that yourself. We're gonna open the 1 minute trades today, and also be sure to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel and my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Social trading is available, and I guess you like such variant of trade entries. And so if you have any questions, you can ask them in support. We'll do our best to help you. So let's get started. And the currency pairs, it's better not choose OTC ones and with a good payout rate. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, not that one and this one. I think this currency pairs would be now. We're gonna open a 1 minute position. 300 position. Okay, and let's find a good trade entry and start our trading session. Let's analyze. Well, so let's open a long position here. We observe good candles volatility. This pullback plays this out, and this we see the uptrend marks low and high points from which the price movement started. Here we see the ascending price movement in this zone. The support zone played out. Let's point it out, after which the price started going up. And here as well, here we see the pullback from this zone, and that's why the price movement should go to the upside. That's we open a long position, and as you can see, the movement goes up and position is in a profit, guys. Refresh the page, so it's fine. So now we got $1,519 on our balance, and refreshing the page one more time, and everything it's fine. And let's find another currency pair for the most promising trend entry. And let's analyze. We observe the flat here, so we won't open here. So we see that the flat here, nothing promising. Well, here the movement, no pullback, so we're gonna wait for it. Let's open a short position here, selection the workspace. Okay, the trend is descending, the alligator jaw is open in the downward direction, and after this pullback the movement shall go down, and let's low should be updated. That's why we open a short position. And guys, there are literally 25 seconds left before the closing. So far I'm fine with this movement. Also, I wanna say once again, don't forget to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel. All links you find in the description, guys. And also to my YouTube channel. Nevertheless, the position is in the profits, guys. We got $1,777 on our balance, and there is no stopping here, guys. And let's make out our $3,000 as soon as possible. So here the movement has already been formed and goes up. There is no pullback so far. Here's the flat. So let's take a look at here and open a long position. This is a very good trade entry, guys. Anyway, early on the uptrend took place. You can see that yourself. There were a very strong price movement. The flat has been formed. Dynamic price movement within the flat, and then the price started going down. There is breakdown of the support zones, and very likely to see the movement to the upside because of this. And like I said, guys, as the movement started going to the upside, you can see that yourself. There are literally 15 seconds left before the climax. And again, brilliant analysis, everything is simple. This indicator is easy to trade with. It's not that complicated to trade using that trade indicators. And still, our position has been closed with a profit. We got $2,000 on our balance, and let's find another currency pair, find a good trade entry, guys. So here still the flat. So let's analyze this one. This is the flat here. I think we open a long position here. The high should be updated, guys. We opened according to the uptrend. The high should be updated. We see the pull from this level took place. And after this level, the price movement should be to the upside. All the moving average are also facing upward. That we open according to the trend again after the pullback, like I said in the beginning of the video. And we see the upward movement. There are literally 20 seconds left before the climax, and the position should be in profit, guys. So the uncertain movement so far, but I guess we should open extra trades on this level for the insurance in order now to go into the minus. The first position is into the minus, but we secured out the less, and the following position should end up in profits. A little bit of missing. The price didn't finish the correction and take the upward direction. That's why we opened more positions. So note this, guys. Write down in your notebook that you also have this option when you see that the pullback is over and the upward price direction takes over, but it's frozen in place and you out of time for the price, go to the right directions and open extra position. Never be afraid, guys. If you can confident and know this indicator principle of work, then you will definitely end up in profits. Plus 500 we got out of this trade. Let's change the currency pair and find an optimal trade entry, guys. So here is the movement. Is absolutely weird. Crossing of all moving average take place where the trend goes up or down. Let's move to another currency pair. So here this is the support zone. We're gonna see the breakdown. The breakdown hasn't followed. The pullback showed up again. We're not gonna play this. Here is also not clear. But here we see the confident movement to the upside. That's why we open a long position. Selection the workspace. And I will explain to you the principle of trade entry. Basically, we see that the price movement is ascending, the correction took place here, and the price went up from this level, guys. Very strong upward movement. We see the alligator jaws we opened, and here a small pullback, small correction took place. The doji candles has formed here, and it indicates the continuation of the uptrend, and we open a long position here. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing of our position, and I guess our position end up in profit, guys. On the last second the price should break out, so we see that the position has been closed in loss like in the previous time. Open 3 more long positions according to the trend, and look at the future price movement. We literally got a minute, and as you see, the price is again going to the upside, and a very strong upward direction prevails here. And probably we're gonna see the reversal, but not right now. I think at this point the reversal is very impossible, and yes, like I said, we already see the breakout of green candle, and the price movement again takes upward direction confidently and clearly. The low point has been updated exactly at that point. You can see here and here, and from this point the movement should bounce to the upside. So the price did the rebound to the upside, and we got almost $3,000 on our balance. And let's find another currency pair. So let's open the final position to eventually make $3,000 like I promised you guys, but I don't see the trade entry so far. Here we can open a short position. I will explain the principle of trade entry. Select the workspace. I think now we see the breakdown from the flat, and the downtrend takes over, and all our moving average are facing downwards from this particular level. The pullback to the upside took place here, the correction in other words, and after this the price movement should go to the downside. The price went up, guys, so there are 15 seconds left before the climax, and the inception of a new candle. And I like I said, the pullback is over, the price started going down, and this final position also has been closed with a profit, guys. Very nice, very nice. We got $3,256 like I promised you guys, and this is where we finished our trading session. Definitely not a bad result. I am happy with this outcome, and I also recommend you to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell, press the like buttons, and leave your comments down below, and subscribe to my closed Telegram channel. All the links in the description, guys. So guys, if you questions, you can send me a message or send a message to support. We try to reply to everyone, and let's move to the withdrawal. I chose the Bitcoin wallet. Write down $2,000, press the continue button. That's it, guys. Transaction is processing, is gonna be finished within the day. And that's all for today. We can stop our trading session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.